Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Serious Rose. Today I'll be doing the tutorial for Nightingale. Now, Nightingale is a game that I've been interested in playing ever since I saw the trailers for it, for various reasons, mainly because of the style of the game and the design of the game. I only bought it about a month or two ago though, and when I did try to play it, like I was super psyched, super excited, super like, yeah, I can finally do this, only to find out that the laptop I was running, it was not compatible with Nightingale whatsoever. So I did take a little bit of time to do my own PC build. It was my first build, and I am never doing another build. It was complicated, it was confusing, it's very delicate work, and it's nerve-wracking. So, no. If anything, I'm gonna run what I have. I do have a decent build, so I mean, I'm happy. But yeah, no. I needed a lot of supervision and assistance when I was doing my own build. The manuals really didn't help, it only confused me more. So anyways, that being said, now that my PC is up and running, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys like what you see, if you guys like hearing my voice, if you guys don't mind the cringy gameplay, like and subscribe. And I will catch you guys after the video. Okay, new profile. Okay, welcome to Nightingale. Selecting basics and choose your body type and default appearance. These options cannot be changed after finalization for now, though we plan to add support for this in the future. Okay. So let's go to body B, because I am a female. Yeah, it's only A or B. Anyways, okay. Let's go. So just for any of you who may be interested in watching me in the future, when it comes to anything about character customization, I am a very big fan of character customization, so I tend to take a good amount of time on customization as much as possible. Wow, what is that? Anyways, like I've already kind of decided on what I want to do for my face or for my character, but I always have to go and just be like, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which one do I want? Is it this one or... oh no, I lost it. Oh no, this one. How white do I want to be? I guess that's more closer to my skin tone. It's the archetype. Okay, age. Let's bring it down to... wow. Well, at least it's the same birth month. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, you can do this? Ooh. Don't mind me, I'm just... ooh, this is cool. Ooh. Ah, that's cool. Oh, that's too cool. I'm so happy. That is cool. I didn't... oh, that is awesome. Let me double check that I did the right thing. Come on, where are you? It's not here? Oh no, wait. Yeah, it's not. Dang it! Oh shit, I forgot about my Raph. I'm sorry, Raph. No! I'm gonna get a little bit distracted here right now. I just find that so cool though. I can't believe that. I think that's awesome. Aww. I gotta go back to Raph's text. Let me log into this. Oh my god, did I not? Oh my god, I didn't log into the LED at all today. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. See, having this new PC has distracted me by so much. I neglected my voice. Go to my Radiant Galaxy. I'll save that. Do my Aurum Pass. My free pack. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I'm sorry. I neglected you guys for a whole day. I think I need a stethoscope. Send all my friends some energy. Oh, come on. What kind of reflexes, Dr. Zane? I'm curious to know. Don't mind me. Zane is my bias though in LED. And then Raph would be my second favorite. Xavier, he has his moments, but I haven't warmed up to Xavier yet. Raph, I warmed up to after reading one of his stories. Okay, I'm done with LED, and back to this. Oh yeah, I already did that. I think this is so cool. Ah. What is this? Oh, wait. Wow, that looks... Survivalist prepper state person. Their family hoard wealth, terrified of an end of days they believe the... Nah. Ooh, why should you be concerned with the fanciful dabbling of out-of-touch academics? Of course, the Paris transept was a topic of discussion at recent soirees, but it hardly seemed relevant to a politician of your eminent standing. It wasn't until your city councilors voted against you, calling for evacuation, that you realized the true extent of the coming threats. You had no time to prepare, fleeing that very hour. No thank you. Nope, not at all. I'm gonna go... Oh man. There's no... There's no reason then. I'm not gonna... I'll just go with academic. I'm good with that. There's no point then if you lose everything. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. Outfit's gonna be the same regardless. Starting loadout is easy. I mean... I like the outfits, that's why. I guess I'll go with this. Higher the realm pod, the more challenged the realm. This represents the difficulty of your starting realm. Oh, I might actually die when I play with Dream Tour. We'll see. Let's just get this. My character's name is gonna be... Nah, yeah. Yes, I'm still, it's still in development. Ah, it's already 7:57. See, the reason why I like Nightingale is just look at these graphics. Like, it is very much up my alley. The steampunk-ish vibe. Renaissance, London, England. So yes, many reasons why I was looking forward to this game is mainly because the graphics. The graphics looked awesome. I mean, okay, maybe not awesome. The theme looked good. The theme was what I liked. Like, I've had better graphics, but yeah, I guess this is about average. I mean, don't judge me. I don't know what I'm talking about either. It's just my own personal opinion. Oh, I did miss the complete introduction though, but I guess I can probably read it later on. Help regenerates on its own. Cooked food provides bonuses. Okay, that's a given. Now waiting for server. Okay, let's see how I do at a PC. Okay, obviously I don't have anything. 8:46 a.m. Okay. Hark, let my words steer your steps. Okay. I'm not even reading this anymore. What now? Wait. So how? What? How do I move? Doesn't help. Oh god, this is the... Okay, that's punch. That's block. Okay. I'm only vaguely familiar with how PCs run. Like I said, I prefer controllers. How now, fleshling? Whither wander you? Lost in our fey wilds? Yeah, this is some Elizabethan languages. Oh shoot. Oh no. What am I supposed to do? How to explain? Making fun of this stuff. What is this? I don't even know what I'm supposed to be doing here. I guess this is looking around. I don't know how you interact with anything. Can I even interact with anything? I absolutely hate keyboard and mouse. It will take me a while to get used to it. Shouldn't it? Wait, there should be a way to... Nope. Is there not a way to go to the menu? Oh, there. Fun. Okay, let's look at the settings. Okay, here. This is what I need. Okay, forward, backwards, left, A. I'm not gonna remember this. I'm not gonna remember this at all. Oh my god. I miss my controller. Oh my gosh. No, it has too much. That's too much keys. See, control is a lot more simpler. I should have collected. I should have connected my controller to my Steam. My smart ass didn't think to do that. You must escape to the portal to use your... Okay, yeah. I don't... Mouse wheel, zoom, L, MB, drag, move, RMB, add waymaker. I'm never gonna do any of this stuff. Okay. I'll just continue walking my happy butt through this. Can I not go here? Am I stuck? Nope, I had to go more down. I don't like this at all. I am not a... My hand is cramping up already. Oh my gosh. I hate PC right now. I'm probably going the wrong way. Oh, what? Oh no, wait, I see something. Am I go- is this? Oh no, I see something. Is that the portal? Maybe I should be following the bugs. Oh wait, this is where I started? This is where I started, isn't it? What am I supposed to do here? What did it say? M. What did I have to do? Escape to the portal. Yeah, okay, that doesn't help. See, when I have tutorials, I would like an actual tutorial. Telling me exactly what to do. Cause that is nuts. I could say help I'm stuck, but I'm guessing this. So can I not? I guess not. Okay. I guess I'm not going this way then. Is there a way to run? Oh, this is giving me like Assassin's Creed vibes again. So I did. Assassin's Creed was another one I was interested in. I got the Origins, and I could not figure out for the life of me how to get out of just the tutorial stage. Cause I kept on feeling like I was going in circles, and I kept on missing, I guess, the exit. I guess I follow these bugs. Oh yeah, see, I'm supposed to follow those bugs. The light. Quickly before the bound fiends sniff out your despair. How do I run? Nope, that's not how. Can you even run in this game? I guess is what I should be at. Oh, do I need to talk to you? Speak with Puck. Shadows abound, yet like a fire's final embers, you refuse to be snuffed out, okay? Unlike so many of your kin. Hear them and let amiable bond be drawn between Fae and Fleshling. Give me your hands that we may be friends, and I shall restore amends. Hurry yonder toward portal and apparatus, so you bear a child of earth might abscond this nightmare. Okay. I should be reading this, I'm paying attention. Travel to the forest byway swiftly across the divide. This is gonna be confusing as hell. Travel to the forest byway swiftly. Across the divide, a greater gift awaits. Partnerships with we Fae afford many wonders yet unseen. Okay, let's hurry up and get to... Wait. How do I do that? How do I... Okay, byway card, forest card. What am I supposed to do? How do I use this? Play this card to seek realm lush with forest, frequent rain, and can reduce your rate. The first... Okay, how do I play this? That doesn't help. Do I drag and drop? Nope. Okay, that doesn't help. How do I... Whoa. Do the cards go somewhere? I don't know what that is. Oh, sorry, we're in Paris. Paris is lost. All communication with the city has ceased. The last missive received between the substance emerged from the Paris transit portal. Since then, only silence. Our work continues in the shadows of this news. The portal ever present while we study the artifacts brought by from the realms. However, uncertainty gnaws at us, and we are vigilant for anything untoward. Sita left on an expedition through the portal days earlier. I don't know how to read. With luck, she will have arrived safely to the warm embrace of Nightingale City. She should return soon, but by boat or portal, I no longer know. I worry for her. We were wrong to trust in the portals in the realms. For now, all I can do is wait. Okay, what am I? Okay, how do I use these cards? Is what I want to know. Oh, okay, I knew that. So this is a biome card, and this is a biome walker. The fiends have caught you this sparing stench. Yay, okay. What is next? Okay, what I was reading earlier. Play this card to seek a realm lush with forest. Frequent rain can reduce the rate of stamina. That's great. Stamina regeneration. Occasional hail can damage passive items structures. Cold nights reduce maximum health. The first discovered realm was a lush forest, misleading red cross knights into believing the fair wilds are analogous to Earth. How wrong they were. Play this card to seek a small transient realm. Diminutive wilds exist that serve as pathways between larger realms, like a secret passageway between two glades. From the Fey Red Cross Knights, learned they were called byways. Okay. Continue my journey. It better be. Hopefully it'll pause. Nope, never mind. Okay. Okay, count thyself among the fortunate few who managed to hear the pearl's master's proliferation. Okay. Will thou be a survivor? We'll see. I'm gonna try. Hermetic guidebook and pocket watch. Hey, it looks like my pocket watch. But I think mine's a little bit more fancier. See, mine's a celestial. I do need it, that's why. Nah, actually I guess similar concept. I need my watch to help me get through the different worlds. Okay, next. Yes, I am hungry. How did you... Was my stomach that loud? Yes, I need to find some preservatives, cod, anything that I can find right now. Robin system. Wolverine's merry wanderer of the night. She is a fairy. I mean, I figured as much. Okay. I'm not gonna comment on that. Yes, I'm starving. Where can I get food? Acquire raw berries. Oh, let's go looking before I pass out. What are you? Are you berries? Yep, looks like it. You can hold small items like food and torches in your offhand. Press F to use a quick. Yeah, I should write these down because I'm not gonna remember the keys. Oh, okay. Gather what you can from the environment in order to build a simple cooking station. Acquire rocks, 6 rocks, 3 sticks, and 5 berries. Okay. Let's collect that. Oh my god, I do need a ritual for mine. Oh, still doesn't help. Can I? Never mind, I can't do nothing yet. What? I need rocks, I need sticks. I guess I can only do the... What was that F? Okay. Oh no, I think I guess, okay, that's fine. Are you serious? That's only 2? I thought I had a huge pile of rocks too. What are you? Oh, okay. I cannot. Okay, I got. Oh shoot! I had more 6 knives I needed. Is that gonna be 6? Yep, it's gonna be 6. Let's select rock. I should put my chair. Like, you would think you'd find the rocks. Oh, these are logs. Like piles of rocks, but am I blind? I should look for raw berries too, yeah. What did I just... Oh, okay. I don't need that, but... My tummy is growling, oh my god. I guess these would be the rocks I can collect, yeah. Hey, at least I got piles of rocks this time around, so more to sticks. Ugh. Okay, that's that. Now to go look for berries. Berries. I'm pretty sure you are... Yes, I know I'm starving. That's definitely not what I want. Oh shit, this sounds... There you are. There are my berries. Let's collect. How much? Oh my god. Oh, I see a whole bunch of berries. That's berries to eat. It can be eating as I go. Sounds good. Just at least I have enough to sustain myself. I'm slowly getting the hang of the keyboard controls. It'll just take me a while. 3, 4. Come on. 5. How do I... Okay. Press B to open guidebook. That's... Oh, okay. Let me find a place first. Actually, I guess this is a good enough place. Maybe not. This actually might be a good place for... I think I'll go to cooking place right over here. Okay. Let's see now. Oh, okay, that's to rotate. Confirm. Adjust height. Really? You can adjust height? Wait, what? Oh, shoot. Oh, that's cool. Okay, how do I get out of here now? Okay. Let's see what's up. My tummy is growling so badly, it's not even funny. I'm hungry. Okay. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm so hungry. I hope this tutorial is done. I need food. Okay, let's pick the top. Shoot, what else can I make? Nothing. I need sticks and knives. Jesus. Okay. I need food. I actually need food. Like, in-game and in real life. Oh wait, what do I have? I have a hunting knife. Oh no, wait. I see nothing over here. I know where it does it, but come on. Do you really not have anything? No wildlife, no nothing. How? Okay. Is this done? Oh my gosh, okay. What did I just do? Yay! I'm done! I just gotta get out of here. Okay, can I save you? Can you save you? Yay! Okay, I don't want to do this now. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. No, I'm not. Yeah, I gotta go set my tent, but I'm done. I want to go and eat. And estate Karen. I hope you're out of. Yes, I know I'm starving. Did I just get attacked by something? Okay, I need to. I'm done. I'm done. I'm absolutely done. Oh shit. No, E. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Okay, I'm done. I'm good. Now to get out of here. Menu, settings, system, quit game, quit the desktop. Yay! I'm so happy. Anyways, that's it for now. Oh, yeah. I guess I should have put on some of that background screen, but that's fine. This will be my first recording and this is gonna get it out anyways, but thank you, and we'll see how this goes. And that is it for the Nightingale tutorial. For those of you who stuck it out through the end, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys' support, and even if you guys were just listening to me as background noise, I still thank you. It is 1 in the morning, it is late, I am tired, I need to go sleep, and honestly, it was a long video to edit. Not only was I lazy for the whole week that it took me, but I also had to cut down a lot. There was a lot of fast forwarding, a lot of skipping, because the original length of the video was 2.5 hours. So yeah, it took a bit of time for me to get used to the controls, because I am not a PC and mouse and keyboard gamer. I don't even consider myself a gamer, to be honest, but I prefer more console games. So it's a bit of a learning curve for me, for sure. I don't actually know what's coming up next, but for those of you who did see my Pico Park short, I did find the 10-minute version of that video. Be warned though, it is 10 minutes worth of game over. But listen now. It's not my fault. It's the lag. 100% is the lag, because the lag made it hard to move. It kept on rubber banding me, and Pico Park was already a struggle. So yes. So what I'm trying to say is, don't judge. Like, please, don't judge me too harshly. But it is a fun game nonetheless. I hope you guys enjoy it at my own expense. But yeah, thank you guys so much. If you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe and share. Good night, everyone. Make sure you get some rest, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good night, everyone.